Hi kitties, I am so excited to kickstart this year's festive season early with you. So I'm gonna take you on a journey how I'm planning to glow up, the activities I'm planning to do, how I'm taking care of my skin and my bucket list for this year's festive season. This video is in collaboration with Limis Connect and I will be talking about newly launched Dear Klairs skincare products. They're also running an exciting Get Festive Ready contest which I will be talking about later in this video. So excited. I love this time of the year. Number one, make a festive mood board. This will help you get into the spirit of festive season and romanticize these last 3 months of the year. Number two, I'm planning to take a trip to the countryside and enjoy looking at the harvest of this season. Take some sandwiches and coffee and enjoy some time in the nature. But don't forget to wear your sunscreen because you'll be out in the sun. And for that, I recommend the Klairs All Day Airy Sunscreen SPF 50 plus PA++++. It has a watery gel texture which feels airy and lightweight on the skin without any white cast. It's also sensitive skin and acne prone skin type friendly, so it's for all skin type. I'm wearing it under my makeup today and you can see there's no caking of the foundation, which is why it's the perfect sunscreen for this festive season. And many sunscreens feel too heavy or pile up under your makeup, but this one does not. And most importantly, it has new age sunscreen filters like DHHB, Tinosorb S and free from oxybenzone, fragrance and alcohol. If you like fewer skincare steps, it can be used as the last step as a sunscreen and moisturizer in one, as it has skin helping ingredients like adenosine, berry extracts, niacinamide. So go outside and enjoy the sun during this festive season without worrying about your skin. I know I will be. Number three, do a festive photo shoot. I'm planning to take some pictures in lehengas, jhumkas and suits. Get festive ready, glowing, radiant skin with this comprehensive full skincare routine in one box, Dear Klairs Skincare Trial Kit. This is also great for gifting as it would be a treat for anyone new to skincare. It has only 4 simple steps. Products are beginner friendly, suits all skin types, doesn't irritate or cause purging in the first try. I find the packaging so adorable. Anybody receiving this as a gift would love it. I'm going to show you how I am achieving glowing and radiant skin with a 4-step uncomplicated skincare routine for this festive season. So let's begin. Step 1. Gentle black fresh cleansing oil is light and effortlessly removes pore clogging impurities and makeup. It's a plant-based formula which emulsifies so well without stinging my eyes. Step 2. Gentle black facial cleanser, which is pore purifying cleanser. Anyone with lots of whiteheads and blackheads, go for this. It's gentle yet cleans the skin effectively, removes the whiteheads on my nose and doesn't dry out my skin. I can't recommend this enough. Step 3. Supple preparation unscented toner, which is a nice hydrating and fast absorbing essence like formula with no essential oils and no fragrance. Step 4. Rich moist soothing cream, which has been my favorite for years. Texture is like a soft creamy cloud which melts into the skin, leaving it moisturized for hours. It will soon get chilly and winters are also coming, so our skin will be getting dry and itchy. That's why I feel this ceramide moisture locking cream is the perfect pick of the season. I don't have a single product in this kit that I don't love or feel okayish about. It's a great value for your money. It's also travel friendly. It's a great introduction to some of the best skincare products from Dear Klairs. You can get these new launches on Limis Connect. I will leave the links in my description box and use my code Mandvi10 to get 10% off on your order. Number 5, I'm also planning to take a road trip to Udaipur if I get time to experience royalty, palaces and the whole Rajasthani culture and food. And there are some of the most beautiful resorts and luxury hotels like Taj Lake Palace and Oberoi Udaivilas. They're astronomically expensive, but I want to stay there for at least one night. But also there are so many beautiful boutique hotels with beautiful views in Udaipur. So if you're planning a trip to Udaipur, you can stay there. Gentle reminder, don't forget to protect your skin while traveling with Klairs All Day Airy Sunscreen SPF 50. Now let's talk about how you can participate in Get Festive Ready contest by Limis Connect. You can upload a short 30-second video featuring Klairs Airy Sunscreen or their skincare trial kit or both. I'm leaving contest details and the form you need to fill to participate in my description box. One lucky winner will win a Klairs at-home LED therapy mask worth Rs 9,000. Additionally, everyone who submit their videos will receive a discount coupon of Rs 500. This contest ends on 10th of October and winners will be announced on 15th October. So good luck to you guys. Looking looking forward to seeing your creative and fun videos. 7. Creating a festive snack platter for Diwali. So I am big on snacks and I often enjoy snacking in the evening after doing my work, and I was just scrolling on the Pinterest and I saw these cute Indian snack platters and I felt so inspired to create one of mine. 8. Let's talk about some desi fashion. All the girlies during the festive season come into their desi avatars, and I'm planning to buy some more desi outfits like shararas, suits, lehengas for Diwali this year. I have very limited pieces, so I'm working on expanding my desi wardrobe, and some ethnic jewelry as well like jhumkas, etc. Number 9. Festive cleaning and decorations. I've already started cleaning my studio. I cleaned my skincare vanity. It was a mess, you guys, and it took me 2 days and my back is still hurting, but at least it's clean and I feel the new energy. This year it also rained for 2-3 months, so house needs the whitewash, and I just can't wait to clean my whole house and welcome new energy into my home. And I'm also planning to decorate with new ideas during Diwali this year. Let me know if you have some ideas and tips. I'm gonna find something on Pinterest. Number 10, and lastly, a quick tip to take your festive look to another level is using rhinestone gems or pearls on your eye makeup looks. I used to do it 2 years back a lot, but I feel this trend will be back again. I hope you got inspired to make your own bucket list for this festive season. I enjoyed making this video so much, and I will see you in my next festive season video. Bye kitties! Happy festive season!